This video is presented by Rashid Bashu team. The Dr. Rashid Bashu is the first scientist and gemologist in Africa.
Magnesite can be formed via talc carbonate metasomatism of peridotite and other ultramafic rocks. Magnesite is formed via carbonation of olivine in the presence of water and carbon dioxide at elevated temperatures and high pressures typical of the greenschist facies. Magnesite can also be formed via the carbonation of magnesium serpentine, lizardite, via the following reaction. 2Mg3C2O5O4 plus 3CO2 Mg3C4O10O2 plus 3 MgCO3 plus 3H2O. However, when performing this reaction in the laboratory, the trihydrated form of magnesium carbonate, MgCO, will form at room temperature. 5. This very observation led to the postulation of a dehydration barrier being involved in the low-temperature formation of anhydrous magnesium carbonate. 6. Laboratory experiments with formamide, a liquid resembling water, have shown how no such dehydration barrier can be involved. The fundamental difficulty to nucleate anhydrous magnesium carbonate remains when using this non-aqueous solution. Not cation dehydration, but rather the spatial configuration of carbonate anions creates the barrier in the low-temperature nucleation of magnesite. 7. Magnesite in a natural form, from Lubenik in Slovakia. Magnesite has been found in modern sediments, caves and soils. Its low temperature, around 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, formation is known to require alternations between precipitation and dissolution intervals. 8, 9, 10. Magnesite was detected in meteorite LH-84001 on planet Mars itself. Magnesite was identified on Mars using infrared spectroscopy from satellite orbit. 11. Controversy still exists over the temperature of formation of this magnesite. Low-temperature formation has been suggested for the magnesite from the Mars-derived LH-84001 meteorite. 12-13. The low-temperature formation of magnesite might well be of significance toward large-scale carbon sequestration. 14. Magnesium-rich olivine, firstrite, favors production of magnesite from peridotite. Iron-rich olivine, phaolite, favors production of magnetite-magnesite silica compositions. Magnesite can also be formed by way of metasomatism in skarn deposits, indolormitic limestones, associated with wollastonite, periclase, and talc.